When moving data across a network, two crucial delays dictate performance: transmission delay and propagation delay. Though often confused, they represent entirely different physical processes. Transmission delay is the time required to push all the packet's bits onto the physical link. It is strictly a function of the packet length, L, and the transmission rate of the link, R. Once pushed onto the medium, the bits must travel to the next node. Propagation delay is the time it takes a single bit to travel from the start of the link to the end, depending on distance and propagation speed. Mathematically, propagation delay equals distance d divided by propagation speed s. The speed s depends on the physical medium, usually approaching the speed of light in fiber or copper. To summarize, transmission delay is about packet size and link bandwidth. Propagation delay is about distance and electromagnetic speed. Together, they define key components of network latency.